Before you can use VoceVista Video to analyze a recording, you need to set your input signal correctly and configure how the software displays the results. The input volume slider lets you select your microphone and set the input level. Setting it correctly is critical because you can't fix a bad recording later. Right-click the slider to check the current input device or select a new one. Press record and sing or play some notes. The goal is to record as strong a signal as possible without distortion or clipping. Look at the waveform at the bottom of the screen as you make sound. If the level is too low, the waveform will be nearly flat. Raise the input or move closer to the microphone. If the level is too high, the waveform will go above the visible area and the signal will distort. Lower the input or move back from the microphone. Too high a signal is worse than too low. When all of the signal displays in the waveform, you have the optimal input level. For singers, make sure you check the highest note, often the loudest. The master volume slider sets the output level for playback. Now we'll set the app to display the best amount of detail. There is no perfect setting that works for every recording. Click the signal in the long-term view. Drag the brightness slider to the right to adjust the peaks so that they are close to the right edge of the short-term view without being cut off. Then drag the contrast slider to adjust the amount of background details that are visible. Refine the displayed signal by adjusting the two sliders until you are happy with the result. The input slider determines the loudness of your recording. It's important to set this correctly to get a good quality of recording. The brightness and contrast sliders set how the recording is displayed. This can be changed later.